Good day everyone. I've got to took the steering wheel column out from the Hyundai i20. The reason I took this one off is when you turn the steering wheel, it's making knocking noise. I thought that problem is that gear here, that plastic gear. Most of the time that's worn out and making that noise. I thought that's the problem with that, but that one seems to be okay, nothing wrong with it. But I found out that there's a nut here. That nut needs to be tightened up. There's a locking nut. See that loose? That locking nut. You need to go anti-clockwise, loosen off, and then as soon as you loosen this one off, and then tighten this one up. Put a chisel here, tighten them up. This one is tighten up clockwise, the locking nut and anti-clockwise to loosen off. That's how you fix the problem in this Hyundai i20 2010. But when you do that, make sure everything is tight. Put a fresh grease in there, put everything back together. That should work. Yeah, that's how you do it. Thank you.